This project aims to create a monument to peace in response to countless memorials to war and conflict. How is peace defined? Is peace just the absence of war, or is it created by the deliberate act of individuals? The project explores the different understandings of peace as seen through different cultures. Peace means different things to different people, as represented through the variety of symbols. For example, the white dove is the biblical representation of peace relating to Noah, signifying forgiveness and a new beginning. The commonly recognized symbol of peace created at the start of the Cold War represents the importance of nuclear disarmament. The image of the broken rifle symbol was used by a global network of anti-militarists working for a world without war. Today, it represents liberty and freedom. From the battlefields of World War I, mortar explosions grew red poppies from the dirt that churned up. They symbolize the remembrance of the soldiers' sacrifice, while the white poppy is worn for all affected by war. Sadako Sasaki was a young Japanese girl and survivor of the Hiroshima bombing of World War II. Inspired by the Japanese legend, Sadako set out to fold 1,000 cranes and wish for the end of war. The crane is the manifestation of Sadako's determination, and has since become an international symbol of peace. In our design, these different interpretations are distilled into their core concepts, and depicted on a series of concrete tablets along a path. Each of these tablets depict different elements and motivations, as well as the specific actions that foster peace. Interspersed with these tablets are also other design elements that are meant to instill the feeling of calm and tranquility. These elements and experiences aid in the manifestation of inner calm and stillness, as an inspiration for outward action. As an international symbol of peace and prosperity, Coco provides the culmination of our journey, where the many perspectives have been distilled into a series of simple directives to inspire individual action towards the manifestation of global peace. Those directives are: be caring and compassionate, be fair and just, be tolerant and forgiving, be impeccable and unwavering. Change begins with you, within you. So be the change you want to see in the world.